feisty. Ladies, you're just in time for their nightly feeding.
On the bright side, at least we don't have to hear canaries sing anymore. I love you too, dear.
Don't worry, it's Batman I'm after. I sent word out all over town that you three were gonna be chick-flavored chum by the end of the night. He'll come to rescue you, I'll whack him, and bada boom, bada bing. I'll have complete control of Gotham.
And, what happens if Batman doesn't show up, Mr. Crazy Matches Person?
Well, then I guess these sharks are gonna need some toothpicks.
Lovely.
Matches Malone.
Batman?
Wait a minute. If Matches is Batman,
Then who's the guy with the blue cape?
Old school fist fighting Gotham style. Should be a fair fight.
Fair is good, but guns are better.
Hey, Cat, can you reach my crossbow?
give me something hard to do next time. Your crossbow's not gonna do much to that cream.
Then it's a good thing that's not what I'm aiming for.
Nice shot. My turn.